Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Donna and this is
Mark.
In this video we're still exploring Cape York Peninsula in Queensland, and we're going to be heading out to a couple of free camps. What were they called?
Yeah, we just got off the Jardine Ferry and we're going to head to Mutee Head. Will be our first stop, free camp.
And then
a few camps there.
And the next one is Alau, and that's just a little bit further up, so we're going to explore them, so let's go check them out.
Sitting here at the Jardine River, just waiting to cross. They're on lunch. Bit of a queue. There's us. There's right up and around and out onto the road. Quite a few cars, pretty cool.
He's got it. Sure he knows what he's doing. He's got it.
No, but still a crocodile eater.
So we've just spent 2 nights at Mutee Beach, and it's absolutely beautiful to look at, but there is no water and it's so hot and you just can't swim in the ocean because of the bloody crocodiles. They are so annoying. We swagged it for 2 nights and feeling a little bit dirty and in need of a shower, so we're going to take off today and try and find a caravan park with some power and a nice shower. Maybe a pool would be cool, yeah? What do you reckon about swimming?
And some aloe vera.
Oh yeah, we've got aloe vera.
Oh, didn't we?
Check it out. In the last morning, we spotted a shark flapping around in the water. Our kind of town, just horses wild and free. Oh, wow. Oh, let's take one with us. Oh, he looks so healthy and relaxed. And before you know it, we're at Alau Beach Camp. These are our little swags and our little shelter. It's right on the beach, and there are actually a few of these shelters that are right on the beach, and you can see them just there in the background. So they're really cool, power, water, sink, and they're our friends the Truans that we camped with. How long do you reckon we've been sitting here for? 15 minutes? They've been standing in that water and now he's walking out with the boat. I mean, I'm sure they're experienced. But